Exploring the word box boosts your IELTS score. Have you ever thought about how many ways we use the word box in our daily lives? From packaging to sports, this simple word packs a punch in the English language. Today, we're going to unbox the word box and see how it can help boost your IELTS score. Word type. Box is primarily used as a noun, but it can also function as a verb. Meaning, as a noun, a box is typically a container with a flat base and sides, usually square or rectangular, and often has a lid. As a verb, to box means to put something into a box or to fight with the fists, especially wearing padded gloves in a ring. Word history. The word box comes from late Latin boxus, which itself comes from Greek paixis, meaning a boxwood container. It entered the English language in the 14th century. Antonyms. While a box doesn't have direct antonyms, some words that could be considered opposite in meaning include unpack, release, or free. Synonyms. Some synonyms for box include container, carton, crate, package, and case. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use box in different contexts. As a noun, she kept her jewelry in a small wooden box. As a verb related to containers, we need to box up these books before we move. As a verb related to fighting, he used to box professionally before becoming a trainer. In an idiomatic expression, the new regulations have really put us in a box, limiting our options. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing box with package or parcel when talking about mail. While a package can be any shape, a box typically refers to a square or rectangular container. Another error is using box as an adjective, as in box shape. The correct form is box-shaped. To wrap up, the word box is a versatile term that can function as both a noun and a verb. It's commonly used in everyday situations, from describing containers to talking about sports. Remember to practice using box in different contexts to become more comfortable with its various uses. This will help you use it confidently in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks, bringing you closer to that band score 5.5 and beyond.